This is Mambo number 5.
Yan! Nakakil din. Victory! Victory! Leave some comments below, guys. Thank you.